because I want almost the same gate, so it will be consistent with my gate on the front and this one as well. So that's the height. So you can see the details there on the bottom, and they are now putting the red lid in. Imong atoon ron? Kaya mo hunong ko dito. Kaya magkita ta dito, Sir Dan. Okay. Okay. So this is the update of our gate. You know, my gate that I ordered in front of my house so I could take out all those bamboos. And here they are. They're putting on red lead on it before it starts rusting. And you can see on the bottom the details like I had in my gate right now. So I also told him to measure out the one in my Village Park Paradise. I'm going past this way because I'm going to our local post office because I was informed that I have some mail and it's raining today, so the postman cannot deliver it to my house. So since I'll be picking up a takeout, so I said that I'll pick it up today. So sometimes they just call it like that. They don't want to bother to deliver, and if you have to wait, then it's about 2 or 3 days from the time that they call before they actually deliver. And that's the situation right in our place when it comes to delivery with pill posts. So this is our local post office here in FM Arcade. So I need to get in. That's the Pill Post, Talamban Post Office, Cebu City. This is where all the posts for the mountain barangays go in. So I'm gonna go there in our local post office to pick up my mail. I'm going down to the Indian place after I have picked up my post, but usually he just delivered it up there, but it's taking so long. But when it suddenly arrived, that's why he's chancing that if I go down in the city I can just pick it up before I wait for a few days to get my post. And it's been raining off and on, off and on, off and on, so you can see how gloomy is the clouds today. Hopefully it's not gonna be like this tomorrow, because there will be more work done on my wall project, fencing project there in the village park. Now it's getting exciting that I'm gonna be going on the boundary where past the budget bungalow, then I could make the wall higher. And also the clearing of the land, so it will be obvious the topography of the land will be easier to design the housing, especially on JT's side, because he is now contemplating on what design he's gonna put in there. Although he keeps on teasing me about putting a shed on it, but I know he won't be putting a shed on it, because I will also have the farmer cut some of the blockage that block his view. And with regards to the side of where the turners are, I think we'll just have to wait for, he can cut some of the trees, but the palm trees needs a chainsaw. So we will have to wait for the timber jack to do that, because machete itself cannot just cut it. It'll be ages before it gets cut. You see they still check here in the boundary of Mandaue. And so we are still on MECQ, and there are 4 more days, see what is the next decision. But I've heard that it's only a few barangays now that will be on ECQ or MECQ, then the rest will be GCQ. I hope that will be true, because it's so hard to not to go around, especially when you're building, and I can't get the windows for the budget bungalow because the place where I'm getting it in Mandaue is still closed as well during the short GCQ that we have. So I'm going now to the Spice, my favorite Indian restaurant. As far as I'm concerned, the best Indian restaurant here in Cebu. They are the South Indian cuisine. That's why, like, the Pompadums is called Papad here, because I used to call it Pompadums because that's how I known it to be Pompadums. But since they come from the south of India, they call it Papad. But now I discovered it's all the same. So I'm here, park on